Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Norway, with its breathtaking natural landscapes, unique Nordic culture, and rich history, attracts countless travelers each year. Whether you're planning to explore the majestic fjords, experience the magical northern lights, or immerse yourself in local traditions, mastering a few key Norwegian words and phrases can help your trip much smoother and help you connect better with locals. Today, we will introduce essential Norwegian vocabulary to help you navigate your travels from arrival to departure. Whether you're checking in at the airport, booking a hotel, or exploring Norway's stunning landscapes, these words will be your trusted travel companions. By learning these high frequency Norwegian terms, your Norway journey will be more enjoyable and stress free. Your Norwegian adventure often starts at the airport, so knowing some common terms related to airports and transportation will come in handy. Flyplass, 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 airport. The first stop in Norway will likely be an flyplass, 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 which means airport. Whether you're arriving at Oslo Gardermoen Airport or a smaller airport in Bergen or Stavanger. This is a key term to know. Example sentence. Hvor er Oslo flyplass? Hvor er Oslo flyplass? Hvor er Oslo flyplass? Where is Oslo airport? Passkontroll, passkontroll, passkontroll. Passport control. When arriving in Norway, you'll need to pass through passkontroll, 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 which is passport control. It's the final checkpoint before you enter the country. Example sentence. Jeg går til passkontroll. Jeg går til passkontroll. Jeg går til passkontroll. I'm going to passport control. Bagasje, 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 luggage. At the airport or train station, you may need to collect or check in your bagasje, bagasje, your luggage. Knowing this word can help you when retrieving your belongings after a flight. Hvor kan jeg hente bagasjen min? Hvor kan jeg hente bagasjen min? Hvor kan jeg hente bagasjen min? Where can I collect my luggage? Tog, 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 train. After arriving, many travelers choose to take the tog, tog, tog train into the city center, especially in Oslo, where the train system is convenient and efficient. Nå går neste tog til Oslo sentrum. Nå går neste tog til Oslo sentrum. Nå går neste tog til Oslo sentrum. When is the next train to Oslo city center? Taxi, 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 taxi. In addition to trains, taxis are also a common mode of transportation. Taxi is the same word in Norwegian as in English, so it's easy to remember. Jeg vil bestille en taxi til hotellet. Jeg vil bestille en taxi til hotellet. Jeg vil bestille en taxi til hotellet. I would like to order a taxi to the hotel. Once you arrive at your destination, your next step will be checking into your hotel or accommodation. Knowing some essential terms for lodging will make the process smoother. Hotel, 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 hotel is the word for hotel, one of the most common types of accommodation for travelers. While most hotel staff in Norway speak English, knowing some Norwegian can make your stay even more comfortable. Jeg har en reservasjon på dette hotellet. Jeg har en reservasjon på dette hotellet. Jeg har en reservasjon på dette hotellet. I have a reservation at this hotel. Resepsjon, resepsjon, reception, reception. The reception is the reception desk where you check in and check out of your hotel. This is where you handle all your hotel related needs. Hvor er resepsjonen? Hvor er resepsjonen? Hvor er resepsjonen? Where is the reception? Room. After checking in, you'll be assigned your room or room. You may also hear the word nøkkel, key, when discussing your room key. Rommet mitt er i tredje etasje. Rommet mitt er i tredje etasje. Rommet mitt er i tredje etasje. My room is on the third floor. Frokost, breakfast. Many Norwegian hotels offer frokost, or breakfast, often as a complimentary buffet that includes bread, cheeses, cold cuts, and fresh fruit. Når serveres frokosten? Når serveres frokosten? Når serveres frokosten? When is the breakfast served? Utchecking, check out. When you're ready to leave your hotel, you'll need to go through utchecking, which is checkout. For example, når er utcheckingstid? Når er utcheckingstid? Når er utcheckingstid? What time is checkout? One of the joys of traveling is tasting local food. Whether you're in a restaurant, cafe, or bar, knowing a few basic terms will help you order with ease. Menu. Most restaurants will offer a menu, which is the menu listing all the available dishes. You can explore traditional Norwegian dishes like laks, salmon, and kjøttbolle, meatballs. Kan jeg se menyen, takk? Kan jeg se menyen, takk? Kan jeg se menyen, takk? Can I see the menu, please? Drikke, drink. When ordering drinks, you'll use the word drikke. Popular options in Norway include mineral water, beer, and coffee. For example, hva slags drikke har dere? Hva slags drikke har dere? Hva slags drikke har dere? What kind of drinks do you have? Regning, bill. After enjoying your meal, you may need to ask for the bill. Regning is the word for bill or check. Kan jeg få regningen, takk? Kan jeg få regningen, takk? Kan jeg få regningen, takk? Can I get the bill, please? During your travels, you may want to pick up some souvenirs, food, or other essentials. Knowing a few keywords for shopping can make the experience more enjoyable. Boutique, store. We will find many boutique stores throughout Norway. Whether you're looking for groceries, clothing, or souvenirs, this is the word you'll need. Hvor er nærmeste butikk? Hvor er nærmeste butikk? Hvor er nærmeste butikk? Where is the nearest store? Price. When shopping, you'll often want to know the price, which means price. While prices are usually clearly displayed, you can also ask for help. Hvor mye koster denne? Hvor mye koster denne? Hvor mye koster denne? How much does this cost? Kjøpe, buy. When you're ready to make a purchase, you can use the verb kjøpe, which means to buy. Jeg vil kjøpe denne. Jeg vil kjøpe denne. Jeg vil kjøpe denne. I want to buy this. Kort, card. In Norway, most stores and restaurants accept kort cards for payment, while cash is still accepted. Electronic payments are more common. Kan jeg betale med kort? Kan jeg betale med kort? Kan jeg betale med kort? Can I pay by card? Norway is known for its stunning natural landscapes and rich cultural experiences. Whether you're visiting fjords, hiking in the mountains, or exploring a museum, these words will come in handy. Fjell, 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 mountain. Norway's natural landscape is dominated by mountains. Fjell, fjell, fjell refers to mountains, and you'll hear this word frequently if you're hiking or skiing. Jeg vil gå på fjelltur. Jeg vil gå på fjelltur. Jeg vil gå på fjelltur. I want to go hiking in the mountains. Fjord, 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 fjord. Norway's world famous fjords, such as the Sognefjord, 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 and Geirangefjord, 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 are a must-see. Fjord, fjord, fjord. It's one of the most iconic features of Norway's natural beauty. Fjorden er veldig vakker. Fjorden er veldig vakker. Fjorden er veldig vakker. The fjord is very beautiful. Museum, 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 museum. For those interested in cultural experiences, Norway's museums are a treasure trove of history and art. Museum refers to museum, museum, museum. So we use here in Norwegian is museum, museum, museum. Similar spelling but different pronunciation, where you can learn more about Norwegian culture. Finnes det et museum i nærheten? Finnes det et museum i nærheten? Finnes det et museum i nærheten? Is there a museum nearby? At the airport, avgang, avgang, avgang refers to your departure time or area. You want to keep an eye on your avgangstid, 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 departure time. Når er neste avgang til København? Når er neste avgang til København? Når er neste avgang til København? When is the next departure to Copenhagen? Gate, gate, gate. So it's now common, many use gate. It's the same pronunciation as in English. So your gate is the boarding gate and for your flight. In large airport, gates are typically displayed on electronic boards. Hvilken gate skal jeg gå til? Hvilken gate skal jeg gå til? Hvilken gate skal jeg gå til? Which gate should I go to? Sikkerhetskontroll, 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 security check. Before boarding, you'll need to pass through sikkerhetskontroll, 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 or security check, a standard procedure at all airports. Hvor er sikkerhetskontrollen? Hvor er sikkerhetskontrollen? Hvor er sikkerhetskontrollen? Where is the security check? By mastering these basic vocabulary words and phrases, you'll find your trip to Norway much easier and more enjoyable. If you're interested in expanding your Norwegian language skills beyond these travel essentials and learning more about Norwegian culture and lifestyle, consider joining our Norwegian language courses in Oslo or online. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.